Good morning, guys. I just got out of the shower. It's Memorial Day, so I'm gonna spend the day just getting stuff done that I never get to do during the week because I work 3 jobs and I just don't have the time. I just thought you guys could hang out at the house with me. You know? Let's just hang out together. I have to do a lot today. I have to edit for YouTube, edit for my other video editing job. I have to do some deep cleaning of the house because I'm going out of town in a few days and I just want to come back to a clean home. And then I have all this clutter that's still not unpacked. Like, I still have to like deep clean. And then lastly, I have this rug that I tried out in the space. It's not working. So I want to roll that up, get it loaded in the car so I can get that dropped off this week as well. I'm gonna put a piano underneath that window there, a piece of artwork there, or a big large mirror. I found one that I liked, but I think I want to stick with artwork. And I'll have like a circle table here, and some chairs. And I also just want to spruce up the place, just put things in their place.
Oh yeah, I'm sarcastic. That hurt your feelings. Well, if Nina stops being sarcastic, you start being homeless.
Let's chat. Nobody wants a cheap looking home. Okay, nobody wants that. You guys, so I'm going to my cousin's graduation for this trip, and I just got my delivery from White Fox. It's these like kind of cargo pants. I love monochrome outfits, so I'm excited. Let's open it. Should I try it on? So these are the pants. Okay. Don't know how it's gonna look on. I got an extra large. I like that they're long. They're nice and high-waisted. I'll probably wear them with heels. They need to be ironed, that's for sure. Here is the top. So here's the top and the pants. Maybe I'll try it on for you guys. I kind of don't feel like it. And I also got the shirt in an extra large. So yeah, I'm about an extra large, but you never know with these like online stores. Sometimes their sizes run differently depending on where it is. I feel like you guys are gonna want to see it, so maybe I should try it on. Okay, give me a second. So I put the outfit on, and I feel like I could have went one size up in the pants. It's just really tight in this area. Like, I feel like I got a little bit of a camel toe situation going on. But the top fits really nice. I do like that the waist part like really snatches you up. I feel like I could have went one size up with the pants because it's a little tight. They fit, and I mean I just joined a gym, so I don't know. Hopefully that's my insurance on the pants. Guys, my sister just decided to drop by because she was in the area and my niece recognized that she was by my house, and she's like, I want to go to Juju's house. So they just pulled up. They're about to come in right now. I'm just gonna move my car so that they can park in my spot. Welcome. Are you editing? Huh?
Editing?
Yeah. I am. Say hi. And I'm just now finishing the YouTube video. I have to watch it back one more time and then I can export it, and then I can start working on my video editing job. That should take me hopefully not past midnight, and I can finally go to bed. I didn't get to do any of the housework I wanted to do today. I mean, I took out the trash and that's it. It's midnight. I'm gonna get ready for bed. You didn't think I was gonna let you go without telling you about my trip? Here's some highlights.
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace.